wake up. You won't believe it.
What? What's going on?
We just received news that the Fleatery food truck is outside the Navy Exchange. Will you fly down there and get us some lunch?
Fleatery for lunch. Great idea, elves. I'm gonna sneak out. I'll be right back.
Hi, what can I get you?
Naughty and nice burger, Kringle cut fries, and cookies.
Coming up.
More cookies.
Coming up.
Order for Santa Claus. Santa, you're back.
Wait a minute. Where's our food?
Well, you see, it was a long sleigh ride back from the Navy Exchange, and I might have gotten a little hungry on the way.
Are you telling us you ate our food?
Santa, we've been waiting here starving.
Now, let's not overreact. I brought back something even better.
One candy cane?
Santa, do you know how many elves are here?
Sharing is caring, right?
That's it. You're on the naughty list this year.
And you're cooking dinner tonight.
Wait, let's not be hasty. I'll go back right now.
Too late, big guy. You're on dish duty for a week. Breaking news. Santa's elves have gone on strike after he failed to bring back food from the Fleatery food truck. The workshop is at a standstill as elves demand crinkle-cut fries and justice.